Pating Reviews presents Samsung Odyssey G7 32-inch gaming monitor. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. The Samsung Odyssey G7 gaming monitor is 32 inches, comes available for purchase on July 13th, 2020. It's Unmatched Immersion. Get your head into the game with the Odyssey's 1000R panel, which matches the curvature of the human eye for maximum immersion and minimal eye strain. It comes with WQHD resolution. Make your gaming world more lifelike than ever before. Infinity Core lighting. Odyssey's Infinity Core is a striking addition to any desktop, matching world first in technology with stunning visual design, rapid 240Hz refresh rate. Topping leaderboards never looked or felt so smooth. With Odyssey's rapid 240Hz refresh rate, you have up to 4 times as many frames displayed on the screen every second compared to a traditional screen. Lightning fast 1 millisecond response time. A fraction of a second can be the difference between your destruction or your enemies. Full G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro support. Dropping frames means dropping chances to put your enemy in the dirt. With G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro support, Odyssey matches every frame from your graphics card, so you're never caught short from moment to moment. Cutting-edge QLED technology. From deepest blacks to vivid colors, Samsung QLED ensures pixel perfect picture quality with every frame. Find hidden depth with the HDR 600. From damp and dark corridors to sunlit alien vistas, Odyssey's HDR 600 brings incredible depth to the world you choose to explore, revealing the smallest hidden details so you don't miss a thing. You definitely don't want to miss out getting the Samsung Odyssey G7 gaming monitor when it becomes available on July 13th, 2020. Make sure you pre-order it today and secure your spot to get the best gaming monitor on the market. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.